One of the most fun things about learning a foreign language is the cooking part of it. In our teacher's manual, we show you how each recipe is done. We do it on camera so the kids can see how it's done. Maybe you could even send it home, have the families do it at home and bring them in for the kids to eat. It makes it a lot more fun to do it that way. You could also have Fiesta Day where they could bring their own heritage into it. I'm sure you probably do that already, but this will give the kids another opportunity to introduce their family's heritage into the situation. Check this out, see how my wife makes los tostones or plátanos, plantains or tostones. I think you'll like it.
And you all are gonna make some yummy tostones.
What we're gonna work with today is a plátano. Now when you see this, you think, ooh, he's gonna eat a rotten banana. Well, this is not a banana, but it is part of the banana family. And Senora, you wanna put a couple over here so Aaron and I can smash them?
Ahí. Aquí. Remember, be very careful.
Ay, caramba, muy caliente.
Sí, señor.
Muy caliente. Now, we're not going to smash all of these. We're just going to smash a few so you can see how we do them.
Boy, these smell great.
And there's many different ways to cook tostones and plátanos. They make a mash, like a potato out of them. They do all kinds of things. And again, if you get a good cookbook of the Caribbean or of Mexico, they'll show you all this stuff. Okay, Erin, let's smash a few of them. You just take a cup like this and just smash them. Take it and smash them. You don't want to make them too skinny, but you don't want to have them too fat. Okay, Senora, I think they're
That's it?
ready. Yeah, they're ready.
Okay. We have to place these on the paper towel. Let the oil drain.
I think she better wait and try one later, Senora.
Let it
They're
cool.
awful hot.
Okay.
Don't try to eat them right away because they get hot. But Aaron, why don't you sprinkle a little sal on top of them?
Senor,
there.
how long should they wait?
I'd just wait
20
about,
minutes?
no, not even that long, because
15
you want to eat them
minutes?
when they're hot.
When they're warm.
I would say,
Very warm.
Yep, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes and they'd be okay.
Okay. Now this is the
Okay.
salt.
Sal, uh-huh.
Sal.
Okay, now you want to put a little azúcar on some of them, Aaron?
Okay. Okay, let's place these.
There you go. Muy bonito. Good job, Senora. Senora cooks a lot, so her hands are a little used to being a little hotter than mine are. My hands would be already scalding.
Okay, another batch.
Another batch. These you're going to put azúcar, huh, Aaron? This is what Aaron likes on hers. And you can put as little or as much as you want. And you can see how beautiful these are. You can see that you can try them many different ways. And here we go. Adios.
Adios, Clase.
Adios.
I know my kids always have loved those tostones, and I'm sure your kids will as well. You can try them all different ways. There's 100 different ways to cook plátanos.